All right, hi everyone. This is the introduction video to chapter 3. So you will need your ISN, your chapter 3 packet. It says chapter 3 vocabulary integers at the top of the page, a pair of scissors, glue, and a pen. Okay? So you're going to take your packet, you're going to cut it directly down the center. And then you're going to remove the staple from the left-hand side. Okay. This is a very short packet, so it shouldn't take you super long to do this. All right, so we left off on page 49, it should be blank. Then on page 50, you're going to glue in the page that says Chapter 3 Vocabulary Integers at the top of the page. Okay. That goes on page 50. Okay. At the top of that page, you're going to write Chapter 3 vocabulary. So at the top of the page, page 50, top of page 50, you're going to write chapter 3 vocabulary. Okay. 51 is going to be blank. On page 52, you're going to glue in integers and absolute value. Page 52, integers and absolute value. Okay, so that's 52. 53, we're going to leave blank. On page 54, you're going to glue in add integers. On 54, you're gluing in add integers. Okay. 55, you're going to leave blank. On page 56, you're gluing in subtract integers. Page 56 is subtract integers. On page 56, you're gluing in subtract integers. Okay. 57, you're going to leave blank. On 58, you're gluing in multiply integers. Page 58, multiply integers. On page 58, you're gluing in multiply integers. Okay. 59, you're going to leave blank. On page 60, you're gluing in divide integers. Page 60 is divide integers. On page 60, you're gluing in the page that says divide integers. Okay. 61, you're leaving blank. And on page 62, you're gluing in your math menu for chapter 3. Page 62, math menu for chapter 3. On page 62, you're gluing in your math menu for chapter 3. Okay, so there's my math menu for chapter 3. All right, we're going to go back to our table of contents. Okay, table of contents over here. Make sure I got the right room. All right, on page 50 to 51 was chapter 3 vocabulary. On page 52 through 53 was integers and absolute value. Okay. On page 54 and 55 was add integers. On 56 through 57 was subtract integers. Page 58 through 59 was multiply integers. On page 60 through 61 was divide integers. And on page 62 was your math menu, chapter 3.